Here's to Dr. Pepper, the secret that became a legend.
To Dr. Pepper, the drink that refused to be ordinary, the brand that chose mystery over clarity, the American original. 140 years of mystery, millions of servings, billions of satisfied customers, one unchanging formula.
Inside this fortress-like facility lies America's most closely guarded beverage secret, a formula so protected it's split between two bank vaults in Dallas, Texas. For over 140 years, no one outside a select few has known the complete recipe, not even the factory workers who make millions of bottles every day. This is Dr. Pepper, America's oldest major soft drink. And today, we're taking you inside the factory where mystery becomes reality. 23 mysterious flavors blended into one iconic taste. A manufacturing process so precise, even a fraction of a degree in temperature can ruin an entire batch. From humble beginnings in a Texas drugstore to becoming America's second best-selling soft drink, this is the story you've never heard.
Our journey begins in 1885 in Waco, Texas, a city once known as Geyser City for its abundant artesian wells. At Morrison's Old Corner Drugstore, a young pharmacist named Charles Alderton was about to change beverage history forever. Alderton loved the smell of the drugstore, all those fruit syrups mixing together in the air. He wondered, what if I could create a drink that tasted like that smell? Using the tools of his trade, Alderton began experimenting, mixing different fruit flavors and spices, testing, tasting, adjusting. After countless attempts, he finally created it, a unique blend of 23 different flavors, the formula that would become Dr. Pepper. But what exactly are those 23 flavors? Cherry, vanilla, caramel? The company has never officially confirmed.
The recipe was so successful, customers across Waco began ordering a Waco at every soda fountain in town. Store owner Wade Morrison recognized the potential. He partnered with beverage chemist Robert Lazenby to bottle the drink commercially. In 1891, they formed the Artesian Manufacturing and Bottling Company. Dr. Pepper was about to go from local phenomenon to American icon.
Inside the factory, innovation was constant. They developed the first large-scale bottling operation, using water from their own artesian well. The Waco artesian waters were legendary, pure, mineral-rich, and under natural pressure. By 1904, Dr. Pepper made its national debut at the World's Fair in St. Louis. 20 million people got their first taste. Success brought challenges. How do you manufacture millions of bottles while keeping the formula secret? The answer: compartmentalization. The recipe was literally split in half. One half stored in one Dallas bank vault, the other half in a completely different bank. Meanwhile, production expanded. By 1929, demand was so high they built a state-of-the-art factory in Dallas. And 2 years later, a second plant in Birmingham, Alabama. Both facilities were engineering marvels, designed specifically for syrup production. Every batch of syrup was tested in laboratories, checked for exact density, flavor uniformity. No batch left the factory without approval. The 1930s brought the Great Depression, but Dr. Pepper thrived. Their secret? Marketing. Drink a bite to eat at 10, 2, and 4. Research showed people experienced energy dips at those exact times. Dr. Pepper positioned itself as the perfect pick-me-up between meals. World War II changed everything. Sugar rationing meant production had to be carefully controlled. Every drop was precious. Dr. Pepper adapted. They reduced bottle sizes, maximized efficiency. The formula stayed the same, but portions became smaller. Meanwhile, the formula document was moved to even more secure locations. Military-grade protection for America's favorite secret. After the war, America celebrated, and Dr. Pepper was part of every celebration. Sales exploded across the nation. The 1950s brought television. Dr. Pepper's advertising entered living rooms across America. The brand became a household name. In 1958, dieters got their answer. Sugar-free Dr. Pepper launched, later renamed Diet Dr. Pepper. Innovation without changing the formula. By the 1960s, Dr. Pepper faced its biggest challenge yet, The cola wars were heating up. Coke and Pepsi dominated every market.
Dr. Pepper's response was genius. Don't compete with cola. Be different. The most original soft drink. Not a cola, not a root beer. The 1970s brought another innovation, Dr. Pepper in cans. Aluminum changed everything about distribution and shelf life. By 1986, Dr. Pepper had become so valuable that it merged with 7-Up. Together, they formed the third largest soft drink company in America. Through all these changes, one thing never changed: the formula. Still split, still secret, still protected like a national treasure. Now, let's step inside a modern Dr. Pepper factory, where 19th century tradition meets 21st century technology. It starts here, the water treatment facility. Millions of gallons are filtered, purified, and tested every single day. The water passes through activated carbon filters, removing any impurities. Then, reverse osmosis ensures absolute purity. Next, the secret syrup. This is where the magic happens and where security is tightest. The syrup mixing happens in a sealed room. Automated systems add ingredients in precise sequence. Temperature must remain exactly 180 degrees Fahrenheit. The ingredients are heat sensitive. Too hot or too cold ruins everything. From the mixing room, the syrup flows through heated pipes. Every inch of this journey is monitored, sensors everywhere.
Now we reach the carbonation stage. Pure CO2 is injected at precisely 60 psi. This creates those signature bubbles. The carbonated syrup is mixed with purified water. The ratio must be exact. This is where flavor consistency is born. Every batch is sampled and tested. Color, clarity, flavor profile, carbonation level. Nothing leaves this room without approval. Approved batches move to the filling line. This is where modern engineering becomes poetry in motion. The filling machines operate at incredible speed, 1,000 cans per minute, each filled to exactly 12 fluid ounces. Immediately after filling, the cans are sealed. The lid seamer creates an airtight bond in milliseconds, preserving freshness. Every sealed can passes through quality inspection. Automated cameras check for defects at a rate of 60 cans per second. Approved cans move to the packaging line. Robotics stack them into cases with mathematical precision. No human hands required. Cases are wrapped, palletized, and prepared for shipping. Within hours of being made, Dr. Pepper is on its way to stores nationwide. But the factory also produces glass bottles, for those who prefer the classic experience. The process is completely different. Glass bottles start as molten sand, heated to over 2,000 degrees, shaped by compressed air in precise molds. The bottles must cool slowly over several hours. Too fast and they shatter. The annealing process is crucial. Once cooled, each bottle is inspected for flaws. Optical sensors detect the slightest imperfection. Rejected bottles are recycled immediately. Approved bottles move to their own filling line. Glass requires different handling, more delicate, more traditional. Glass bottles are crowned with metal caps. The classic hiss and pop when you open one. That sound is engineered perfection. Then comes labeling. Modern bottles use pressure-sensitive labels, applied with robotic precision at high speed. Finally, glass bottles are packaged into traditional cardboard carriers, six-packs, and cases, ready for retailers and restaurants. Quality control happens at every stage. Random samples are pulled from the line, tasted by trained experts, compared to the standard. The standard? A sealed reference sample, made decades ago, kept frozen. This is what Dr. Pepper must taste like, always. Beyond taste, there's chemistry. Gas chromatography analyzes every volatile compound, ensuring the flavor profile never drifts. Even the carbonation is tested. Specialized equipment measures dissolved CO2 down to 0.01 volumes. Precision matters. Microbiological testing ensures safety. Every batch is screened for contaminants. The standard? Zero tolerance. Absolute purity. From factory, Dr. Pepper travels across America. Refrigerated trucks maintain perfect temperature. Distribution is a science too. At stores, merchandisers ensure perfect display. Cold cases set to exact temperatures. Shelf placement matters. Every detail counts. In restaurants, Dr. Pepper flows through specialized fountain systems. Syrup and carbonated water mixed at the dispenser. Fresh every time. Today, Dr. Pepper produces over 3 billion servings annually, from that single drugstore fountain to a global phenomenon. The brand has become part of American culture, featured in movies, music, and memories, a taste that defines generations. But with success came responsibility. Dr. Pepper invested in sustainability. Solar panels power the factories. Water is recycled and reused. Aluminum cans are infinitely recyclable. Dr. Pepper's packaging uses recycled content. The goal? Zero waste to landfill by 2030. The company supports communities, scholarships for students, funding for small businesses, investing in the places they call home. Innovation continues in the laboratory. Scientists experiment with natural sweeteners, exploring new flavors, always testing, always improving. Digital technology transformed operations. AI predicts demand. Robots optimize efficiency. But the formula? Still protected by human guardians. International expansion brought new challenges. Different markets, different tastes, but the formula stays consistent worldwide. The museum in Waco preserves the history, the original soda fountain, vintage bottles, and advertising through the ages. Collectors prize vintage Dr. Pepper memorabilia. Rare bottles sell for thousands. Signs and thermometers become treasured antiques. Fan dedication is legendary. Dr. Pepper tattoos, wedding cakes, even a town in Texas that celebrates Dr. Pepper Day annually. Social media amplified the brand. Hashtags trend, memes spread. A new generation discovers what their grandparents already knew. Limited editions create excitement. Seasonal flavors, regional exclusives, but always the original remains the bestseller. The future brings new possibilities. Plant-based packaging, AI-optimized flavors, smart vending machines. But the secret stays secret. Every day, the cycle continues. Water purified, syrup mixed, cans filled. The same process perfected over 140 years. Workers take pride in their craft. Some families have worked here for generations. Making Dr. Pepper isn't just a job. From Waco to the world, from fountain drinks to global distribution, the journey has been extraordinary. But it all comes back to one thing. The formula. Still secret, still split between two vaults, still the heart of everything. The mystery that became an icon. Millions enjoy it daily, never knowing the complete recipe, never needing to. The taste tells the story. Some secrets are worth keeping, not for profit, not for competition, but because mystery itself has value. In an age of transparency, where everything is revealed, explained, and exposed, Dr. Pepper stands apart, gloriously unknowable. This is the genius of Dr. Pepper. The formula isn't just protected for business reasons. It's protected because wonder matters. Every bottle, every can, carries 140 years of history, a taste unchanged since Charles Alderton's breakthrough moment. And here's the beautiful truth. The secret isn't just in a vault, it's in every sip, hidden in plain sight. Competitors have tried to replicate it. Food scientists have analyzed it. None have succeeded. Some things can't be reverse engineered. The vault will stay locked. The formula will stay split. Because Dr. Pepper understands, we don't need to know everything. Sometimes the magic is in not knowing. The pleasure is in the mystery. The joy is in the experience, not the explanation. From Morson's drugstore to your refrigerator. From Charles Alderton's experiment to a global phenomenon, one thing remains constant. The taste. Distinctive, impossible to describe, instantly recognizable. 23 flavors dancing together in perfect harmony. It's not cola, it's not root beer. It's not anything but itself. Original, unique, unapologetically different. And perhaps that's the real secret. Not the formula itself, but the courage to be different, to resist conformity. For 140 years, Dr. Pepper has stayed true to itself.
No matter the trends, no matter the pressure. In boardrooms, they've debated changing it, making it sweeter, less complex, more like the competition. Authenticity can't be faked. Heritage can't be manufactured. Trust is earned over generations. Today, in a world of constant change and disruption, Dr. Pepper remains an anchor. Familiar, reliable, exactly as it should be. The factory will keep running, the quality controls will keep testing, the vault will keep its secret, and we'll keep drinking. Because some traditions deserve protection, some recipes deserve respect, and some mysteries deserve to remain mysterious. This is Dr. Pepper, America's most original soft drink, born in Waco, perfected over generations. Here's to Dr. Pepper, the secret that became a legend, the mystery that became an icon, the formula that changed everything. And here's the final twist. You already know the secret. It's been there all along, in every sip you've ever taken. You've experienced the formula thousands of times. You know it better than any scientist ever could. The vault protects the formula, but the real magic, that's already in your memory. This is what makes Dr. Pepper extraordinary. Not the secrecy alone, but what that secrecy protects. Somewhere, a child will taste Dr. Pepper for the first time. Their eyes will widen. They'll ask what makes it taste like that. And the parent will smile because they remember asking the same question and getting the same answer. That child will grow up, have children of their own, pass along the tradition, and the mystery will live on. Because this is bigger than business, bigger than beverage. This is culture. This is heritage. This is who we are.
So raise your glass
Or your can.
to secrets,
To mysteries.
to things that make life a little more interesting. To Dr. Pepper, the drink that refused to be ordinary, the brand that chose mystery over clarity, the American original. 140 years of mystery, millions of servings, billions of satisfied customers, one unchanging formula. And tomorrow, the story continues, new chapters written, but the foundation, that stays exactly the same.
This is the paradox of Dr. Pepper. The more the world changes, the more valuable the unchanging becomes.
From a pharmacist's experiment to a cultural phenomenon, from Waco, Texas to the world, the journey has been remarkable.
But the most remarkable thing? It all comes down to one perfect moment. The moment when taste meets memory meets mystery.
The true formula is experiential, not chemical. The real secret is the experience we create.
This is Dr. Pepper. This is the secret. This is the mystery. And this is just the beginning.